Okay, hey folks, this is the video of how to submit your video submission for your first discussion board, and we will have other discussion boards where I'll ask for a video as well, okay? So this is how you decide to complete that process. Now, if you are not in Fashion D20, it's okay. I'm using this video across all my courses, so it's the same process. I'm just using the Fashion D20 course as the guinea pig, shall we say, okay? All right, so hopefully you have already gone through the let me show you around and you have an understanding of how to navigate Canvas. So as you know, you can get to assignments a couple of different ways. You can go to the modules, you can go to assignments, or you could go to discussions. But since we're here on the home page and I know exactly what assignment I want to go to and haven't done it yet, I'm going to go over here to the to-do list and just go ahead and click on the Let's Talk About It meet and greet, because that's what the assignment is. And the to-do list always has all the assignments you need to do, okay? So I'm going to click on Let's Talk About It. It's going to take me over to the assignment. The information on how to submit the assignment is always here. So what you need to do, there's a video in here that tells you how to do this. It's just that I'm recording the video, so that instruction is not there yet, okay? So to submit the assignment, just go ahead, click Submit Assignment. And when you hit Submit Assignment, this text box will pop up, and you have a couple. Actually, this text box will pop up on all kinds of assignments, but in the text box, you have a couple of things that you can do. So you can add an image if that's what I was asking for. But since I'm asking for a video, you're going to click this this icon that says Record, Upload Media. We're going to go ahead and click that. There are two ways to submit. Via video, you could pull something that you have recorded on your phone or externally, or you can record it directly into Canvas. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to record it directly into Canvas. So we're going to click that record button and a new window is going to pop up, and here I am. All right. Now, if this window pops up and your screen is black, that just means you need to activate your webcam. So you may have to click this button for webcam. If you start talking and you don't see this bar moving, you just need to activate your mic. That just tells you that those two aren't activated. So when you're ready to record, just go ahead and click Start Recording, and you get the countdown. And hi, I'm your instructor, Professor Johnson. So go ahead and follow the prompts that I gave you in the meet and greet of the things that we want to know about you and your classmates. And when you think that you've done, when you've answered all of those questions, when you've seen your personality, go ahead and click Finish. All right, click Finish. That actually froze on a good picture. It usually freezes on my face looking nutty. So, all right. So then you have the ability to, if you don't like the video, you want to re-record it, go ahead, click Start Over. If not, you can just go ahead and save it. But I always like to give it a name, because there have been times where I wanted to go back. Oops, how about meet and greet? I wanted to go back and find the video. This will save the video in the course for you in the course media. Okay, so meet and greet, go ahead and click Save, and it will take you back to that text box, and it will eventually there we go. It'll eventually load. Yay! All right, load. If you're ready to go, you can hit Submit. Now, if you have recorded it on your phone and you want to upload it, you would go through the same process. You would go to the Record, Upload Media, click it, click here to take you out to your computer where it is. So here, this is where my captures are here. I'm not going to upload this video because it just takes a minute to upload, but so I would go ahead, click Capture, and then do whatever we like with it. And upload it. Like I said, I'm not going to upload it because this one, it takes a minute to load. So I'm just going to close this for now. Okay. All right. So once your video is in there, however you got it in there, either recording it directly in Canvas or uploading it, you're good to go. And then last but not least, you're going to click Submit Assignment. And then you get the yay, you get the confetti that the assignment has been submitted. Okay. So that's what you're going to do. And then I'm also asking you to respond to a couple of your classmates, and you will do the same steps, but I'm going to put that in another video. Okay. All right. You are good to go on this part. And then you have to watch the next video on how to reply to your classmates. All right. See you soon.